Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious caramel easily at home. First, gather your ingredients. Sugar, water, and heavy cream are key. You'll also need a good saucepan and a whisk. Precision is important, so measure everything carefully before you begin. This simple preparation ensures a smooth cooking experience and perfect results every time. Now, let's start cooking. Combine your measured sugar and water in the heavy-bottomed saucepan. Stir gently over medium heat until all the sugar crystals have dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring. Allow the syrup to boil undisturbed until it transforms into a beautiful, deep amber color. This stage is crucial for developing that classic caramel flavor. Hey everyone, if you're finding these caramel making tips helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give this video a like. On another note, imagine listening to your favorite cooking playlist while making this caramel. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. Check the description for the link and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Next, the magic happens. Carefully and slowly pour your warmed heavy cream into the hot amber sugar. Be cautious, as it will bubble up vigorously. Whisk continuously until the mixture is completely smooth and uniform. Once fully combined, remove the saucepan from the heat. Let your homemade caramel cool for a few minutes before enjoying or transferring it to a jar for storage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.